What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with My Investment Journey, and I am back again. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about XOM Dividend. XOM is the ticker symbol for Exxon Mobil, and of course, I want to talk to you guys about Exxon Mobil Dividend. As a matter of fact, I want to share with you guys my 7th dividend payment from XOM or Exxon Mobil, and I'm going to do that. I'm very excited about this particular investment because Exxon Mobil is one of the only investments that I have that I'm actually over 100% in regards to my returns. So I will share that with you guys and show you just exactly how much money I've made since investing with Exxon Mobil. All right, so that's what we're talking about in this particular video. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so right now on the screen, I will be sharing with you guys my current portfolio, which you can see on the screen. It's currently valued at $238,000. Today's return at the making of this video, my portfolio has gone up $6,698. So I have invested currently on Robinhood. I have invested since May of 2020, $257,000. So I click on all right here on the screen, and then I'll be able to show you guys since May of 2020, I have invested $257,195.30. So overall, obviously my return is I'm down almost $20,000, okay? But that's not the purpose of this video, right? I'm just sharing that because I want to be transparent. In this particular video, I'm going to show you my most recent dividend payment with Exxon Mobil, which happens to be my 7th dividend payment, and I'm also going to show you my overall return, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and click on this tab right here. This is where I'm showing you my most recent dividend payment, which was on September the 9th. I actually got a dividend payment from Exxon for $97.95. At that current time, I had 111 shares. Exxon is paying 88 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $97.95. After I got this dividend payment, Robinhood, because I have dividend reinvesting turned on, Robinhood went ahead and grabbed some more shares. Let me refresh the page so I can show you how many more shares they were able to grab. The internet is going quite slow here, as you guys can see. Let me see if I can refresh the page and see if it will show that information here in regards to how many shares Robinhood was able to buy. Okay, so you see the most recent dividend payment here. Okay, for some reason I'm not able to pull it up. Let me jump to this screen and see if I can show you guys here. Give me a second here. Okay, so you can see there was a buy right here on the left. It says Exxon Mobil buy. Currently, Robinhood was able to grab 1 share, and at the time it was $97.41. Once again, my dividend payment was $97.95. So they were able to grab 1 share and some change for $97.41. My average cost with Exxon Mobil, I'm totally in love with this particular investment. I should have invested a lot more money, but you know, hindsight is always 20/20. So my average cost right now per share is $45.93. Currently, Exxon is trading for $98.01. Right now, the market's still, it's after hours, so of course the price is still fluctuating a little bit. But overall, my total return, here it is, my total return, I'm up 113%. This is one of the only accounts, or one of the only companies that I've invested in, and I'm actually up 100%, and that's always exciting. I was up 100% with another company for a while, and of course it's the stock market, so it went down, but I'm very happy with this particular investment right here. So 113% for me means that my total return is I'm up $5,848.93 with Exxon Mobil. Absolutely love this particular investment. I was just able to buy at the right time, okay? I want to show you guys that once again, that was my 7th dividend payment with Exxon Mobil, which I'm very excited about. As you guys know, the dividend payment is going to continue to grow every single month, obviously because Robinhood, I do have enabled dividend reinvesting, and so because of that, Robinhood go ahead and grab more share. They reinvest the dividend payment. So every single dividend payment is going to continue to increase. Now, ExxonMobil does pay dividends quarterly. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind. So as you guys can see here, I'll share with you guys the first dividend payment was back here in March 10th. 2021, and it was for $89.64. At that particular time, Exxon was paying 87 cents per share. Okay, then the next one is the June 10th. The next one is September the 10th, 2021. December the 10th, let's see if they're still paying 87 cents. Nope, they're paying 88 cents here on December the 10th, okay, and that was for $94.73. Then we have March the 10th, and then we have June the 10th, and then we have the most recent dividend payment, September the 9th, which they're still paying 88 cents per share, as you guys can see here, and it's for $97.95. So in all actuality, I have not invested 1 cent more other than what I invested initially in regards to ExxonMobil, and also other than the dividend payment being reinvested. So we started at $89.64 March 2021, and we are at $97.95, almost a $10 increase in, you know, obviously over a year. That doesn't sound like a lot, but it actually is. And if you compound the years that are to come in regards to the future, this dividend payment is clearly going to be more than $100. It's going to be over $100 in years to come. And once again, ExxonMobil pays dividends quarterly. I'm very excited about that, just because it always feels good to be in the green. Once again, I'll show you guys in regards to ExxonMobil, it is one of the only accounts that I have that I'm actually over 100% in my return since I've invested. So once again, showing you guys that I'm actually up with ExxonMobil 113%, as you can see right here, which is $5,857. Okay, let me see if I can show you guys the actual initial buy that I bought with Exxon once I got started way back when. So I'm gonna scroll down. Here we go. As you guys can see here, my initial buy was for $4,500 right here, as you can see. I have not bought any more, so the only other thing that you're going to see is reinvested. So you see there's a dividend payment here, then there's a Exxon buy for the same amount, $89.64, and then it's just like that all the way straight up. Another dividend payment and reinvested, $90.94. I have not purchased any more shares other than the $4,500 that I spent back in December 2020. And once again, I am up 113%, which 113% is $5,857. Very excited about that. I encourage you guys to do your research in regards to investing in the stock market. I'm never going to tell you, hey, you definitely want to invest in these companies. Well, I shouldn't say never, but that's not the purpose of this particular channel, for me to tell you where you should be spending your hard-earned money. Okay, you're going to do your own research and you're going to invest your hard-earned money where you see fit. But I definitely wanted to make this video and show you guys my 7th dividend payment from ExxonMobil. Super duper excited. I'm going to be keeping these videos coming. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any videos, and give this video a thumbs up. It helps the channel quite a bit. All right, that's going to be it for this video. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.